Okay, babe. So this wig review is going to be from Beauty Forever, which I got from AliExpress. And inside the box, you get a wig cap, wig straps, which I love, and of course your wig. And in the box, you also get combs, which I don't use at all. Okay, so the wig is packaged perfectly. It's protected well. They put foam and tissue and all that good stuff in it. And sorry if you hear me breathing, I'm pregnant and I'm fat. But the wig smells okay. You could tell it's been sitting wherever it's been sitting for a minute, so you might want to wash it. It is a 16-inch. It's really soft. This is the inside, which I said it was a lace front. It's a 13 by 6, I believe. I'll make sure that it's correct in the description below. It has 2 combs on the sides and then comb in the top and comb in the back. And of course it comes with the adjustable straps. Now I was kind of disappointed because this time my knots were not bleached, and last wig I bought from Beauty Forever, my knots were bleached. So I was in a time crunch because it was for my birthday weekend, so I just left them unbleached and just added concealer to the top of it. That's what I'm looking at now. Like, I can't believe my knots are not bleached. So I'm just showing you guys what the inside of the hair looks like and the construction, and that's about it. Okay guys, so I just put the wig on my head to see where it hit me and just how bad the lace really looked without it being not bleached, I'm sorry. But the hair, like I said, is a 16-inch and it's a little too long to do flips, so I'm just measuring it out and kind of trying it out to see how it would look flipped and where I need to cut it. So I did that and I just went ahead and cut it where I think it will hit best when I do my flips. And I just, nothing too fancy, I just split it down the back and took each side and cut it evenly.
She been your wife, and this is her whole fucking brand. What you mean?
She had her butt naked on that motorcycle or some shit for the video that I didn't watch.
Didn't you post her fucking nudes? What do you mean? I hate men.
Okay.
Oh, but no, he's a bitch.
About to flip.
You the fuck out of here.
She's first lady. She can't be wearing.
Okay, love, so this is the finished product. I'll show you the front, how that came out. It's still a couple areas I don't like right here. And, well, that side is pretty good. But for this to be, I think it's my second time I have put on a lace wig. I don't know why I put on this black shirt. Y'all can't even see my flips, but this is what I'm wearing today, so I just put it on. I got these clips from Forever 21. No, I'm sorry. I got these from Amazon. I will link them in the description below. You can't really see them. There they go. But I definitely love it. The hair is so soft. But this is the beginning of the birthday weekend, and my hair turned out so freaking cute. I love it. So tomorrow I might do a ponytail and just add a little bit of extra hair to the top, because it's gonna be thin if I try to just pull my frontal up, and I don't like how that looks. So either I'm gonna be rocking it like this still tomorrow, or I'm gonna have the high ponytail, which I'm probably gonna do the ponytail because that just looks really freaking cute. So I'm in love with it. I was kind of like skeptical. Hold on. I was kind of like skeptical about how it was gonna turn out, because you know, everybody can't do flips. Everybody can't do every hairstyle. But apparently I can do this one, so it's done, honey. Okay, so this has been a Beauty Forever review. I'll let you guys know how it wears throughout the weekend. I'm so in love with it, and for it to cost me, I don't know, I think this wig was $102, and it might have been less than that with coupons they had. So I think we have a winner. Ooh. Okay guys, I have to go. Like, I've been at this all day. Gotta go. Bye.